Okay. Crazy music. Grandpa's out here visiting. They're all outside. I got a special surprise for him. Ha 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 ha. Let's go get him. This is gonna be awesome. Ah.
Now it's cooling off a little bit. And what are you doing?
We had some?
Stop!
That doesn't hurt.
They hurt your feet.
Phil, I didn't throw hard enough.
How much
Where are they?
do you have?
Where are they?
Remember when we did that with
It's-
the boys and they were
I got one hit on my back and
burn
it hurt.
spots on their shirt.
Yeah.
Don't pick them up after you hit.
Get Missy.
The boys, all the boys.
For one.
The
That one's a dud.
Dad?
Let's get some more. Go away!
I think those are the two best trees in the whole world.
Oh. Don't
Poor
let her
Misty.
eat that. I'm done.
There you go.
She's like, where'd you go?
Grandpa, you want to try one?
No.
Huh? You don't want to try?
Alright,
You can try one.
just throw it on the
Oh.
ground.
Whew. Just throw it on the ground. That one's a dud.
Doug,
No, it's not. You gotta throw it
Oh,
hard.
throw hard then.
I just did.
Oh my
There you go.
Ah. There's a dud right there.
Fail. That one's a dud. Yep, that's a dud. Where are they? Oh, here's it. Okay. Ooh. See? They're just little packets.
Really? What do they put in there?
Powder?
Now you guys are going to clean all that up, right?
It'll blow away.
He's like freaking out.
That's torturous. Poor pup.
I don't know where it's coming
It's okay. Come back over here, Misty.
You're going to give her a nervous breakdown. Is there any sparklers?
Yeah, they're in there.
Oh, did you get her?
There you go.
Why is she biting this?
That looks cool.
Don't have it.
Chelsea, you're going to put her
Aw.
eye out.
No.
Where's the lighter?
See, it touches my hand. It doesn't even burn.
Here, hold that.
Missy,
Okay. And we're gonna...
Missy.
Just touch it with hers.
This is more fun. Alright.
No, I touched my hand.
Ah, that's what you get.
Dad, it's not his part.
That's what you get. Okay.
Where do I put this?
Ready? Yeah, put it there. Light.
It takes a while.
The heck? They're old. Ah,
Why don't we just get the matches?
matches will go out quickly. Hey, you try that. I'll hold that. This is gonna have to work. You wanna hold that?
You gotta do it. What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Just hold it?
Ooh, there you go. Hey, dancing.
I want to get two of them. Alex, you took my other one. This one goes out.
Yeah, that's right. It's so full of sparkly. That's neat. I'm all sparkly glowy.
I'm all sparkly glowy. I love you, Annie. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That looks cool.
It doesn't hurt, Mom.
Yeah. We just had spit out. We went to visit someone at the hospital yesterday. You guys are weird.
Yeah, you go one way and I go the other. Jesse, don't burn your hair.
Watch your wrist.
They don't burn. Aw.
Yeah, they have that commercial.
That's crazy. Do it again. Look this way.
And they always bend. Look at that. It's so retarded. Look at the other one.
Oh, Bahamas is beautiful.
You got
that was one
dance.
of the places we went on a cruise. The water was so blue.
You couldn't get over
It was so
that.
clear. Paradise Island is very expensive though. We went on a one-day cruise. We like went on a day cruise.
This is
You don't need passports for
Chelsea, do
Hawaii,
your
right?
salsa dance
For
again.
US.
Hey.
I'll see.
That's hilarious.
when you move it like that, try and look at
I
it.
think I'm getting
It's
bit.
so bright.
Yep. I got one on the bottom of my foot. Really itchy.
Well, that's cool.
Doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it'll burn you.
Wow, you guys are used all these?
Okay, now apparently we're doing fireworks.
do that.
Oop, I stepped on. Ah! I stepped on it. Ow. Ah,
If it was
they're
the
everywhere.
weekend, Roy,
What the?
I could see you doing this, but I think this is
Big box of
ridiculous.
fireworks in there. You know, okay.
Oh my gosh! Boom!
Better one.
Woo! That stinks.
Oh.
That stinks.
Just ignore it.
Husband's a pervert.
Just ignore it.
Shh.
Like the stupid thing.
They won't wait.
See, no.
Oh my gosh. Roy.
Boom!
Up.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright, I am going to bed. It is late. And not doing anything tomorrow. But today was pretty cool. Lit fireworks and stuff. So, yep. Gonna go to sleep. I'm actually really tired, so I should probably stop talking now. So I can go to bed. Okay, good night.